Now today let's start with chapter number 9, that is birth of the United Nations. So in this chapter we will study about the UN. As men entered the machine age, mass production started and factories were set up and things began to be manufactured in large number. And what we call it industrial revolution. In the beginning, some European, they were not only able to build machine but they produced goods in large quantity. इन्होंने क्या करा, रॉ मटेरियल को परचेज करा from the poor countries at very low rates and sold their finished goods at high rates, right? And what they did, they earned huge profit. They went to different parts of the world in few countries and colonies. This enhanced competition in railway, and the rivalry resulted into two world war. Many countries were involved in this war. First World War was fought from 1914 to 1980, and second from 1939 to 1945. So the Second World War was the most expensive in terms of human life and property. Millions of people died and large number of people were disabled. So the United States of America dropped two bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities in Japan, and two big industrial cities were reduced to ashes. And Second World War came to shock to the whole world. And millions of innocent people and soldiers lost their lives. The right-thinking people thought that huge wealth spent on the wars would be used for bringing prosperity and happiness. तो हमने क्या करा, after the First World War, League of Nations was formed. It could not prevent or stop very small wars, and the league could not function because it has two major foes. One of the world's most powerful nation is USA. The league member was not willing to oppose aggression by Japan, Italy and Germany. So as a result, जो unopposed aggression था led to the World War II, and the league failed, but the idea of league once again took shape. So the leader of the different nations of the world were worried and concluded that Third World War took place and the entire human race would be finished. This fear forced the country of the world to establish another organization जो क्या करता है, वॉर को प्रिवेंट करता और क्या प्रमोट करता है, पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी. The feeling gave the birth to the United Nations. The name of the first suggested President Roosevelt of USA. यहाँ पे 51 nations है जो met हुए सैन फ्रांसिस्को इन अप्रैल 1945. द कॉन्फ्रेंस प्रिपेयर चार्टर ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन, जिसका हेडक्वार्टर है वो न्यूयॉर्क में है. इसका फ्लैग लाइट ब्लू कलर का है विद बैकग्राउंड सिंबल्स द वर्ल्ड मैप, राइट. The UN was founded on 24th October 1945 after the World War II, जिससे हम क्या कर सके, लीग ऑफ नेशन को स्टॉप कर सके और वर्ल्ड वॉर को स्टॉप कर सके, राइट. एंड यूनाइटेड नेशन डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 24th October every. It contains multiple subsidiary organizations to carry on its mission. There are currently 192 member nations, जिसमें आपके nearly every sovereign state जो है वर्ल्ड की वो included है, right. Now principle of UN. All the members should respect the sovereignty and right of each other. Threats and use of force should be avoided. Only peaceful measures. आपको खाली peaceful measures को ही use करना है to settle disagreements and dispute. आपको support करना है, cooperate करता है with UN in all activities, right. When was charter of UN was signed on 26 June 1945 और कब existed में आया, 24 October 1940. एम क्या थे यूएन के? एम was to maintain international peace and security, right, to develop friendly relation और cooperation रखना है among the citizens, to promote respect for human right and human freedom, to remove differences जो किस पे based थे, religion, race, language, sex, to solve economic, social, culture and human problem, to assist nation in these tasks and coordinate their efforts to help the people of the world in removing illiteracy, disease and poverty. Now Declaration of Human Rights. So right to live as free citizen, equality before law. तो आपका डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट है वो कब आया था, 10 दिसंबर 1948. वो क्या फॉलो करता है, राइट टू लिव एज फ्री सिटीजन, इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क, राइट टू एजुकेशन एंड फ्रीडम टू ट्रैवल. आपके पास फ्रीडम है, आप कहीं भी ट्रैवल कर सकते. फ्रीडम ऑफ वर्शिप, फ्रीडम टू मैरी अकॉर्डिंग टू वन विश, right to free speech and writing according to choice. The people of the world are still facing some of the problem, but United Nations is working sincerely to help the human race. किसमें? growth में, maintenance of peace में, development, right. This is all about the chapter of UN. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.